Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you BIS, EGMARK and ISI. Now let's start the topic. First of all, we will talk about the EGMARK. The Directorate of Marketing and Inspection enforces the agricultural produce, that is Grading on Marketing Act 1937. Under this act, grade standards are prescribed for agricultural and allied. EGMARK is a quality certification mark. EGMARK ensures quality and purity of the product. It acts as a third party guarantee to quality certified. Quality standards for agricultural commodities are framed based on the intrinsic quality. Standards are being harmonized with international standards, keeping in view to the WTO requirements. Certification of the agricultural commodities is carried out for the benefit of producer, marketer, manufacturer, and consumer. Products available under EGMARK are as follows: pulses, whole spices and ground spices, vegetable oils, wheat products, other products such as honey, asafoetida, rice, tapioca, sago, seedless tamarind, besan. Next topic is BIS. BIS is basically a Bureau of Indian Standards. Before the independence period, scattered standardization activity and confined to a few government purchasing organization. But after independence, economic development through resources thus need the standardization for industries for competitive efficiency and quality production. The Indian Standards Institution was therefore set up in 1947 as a registered society under a Government of India resolution. The Indian Standard Institution ISI gave the nation the standards it needed for nationalization, that is industrial and commercial growth, quality production and competitive efficiency. Due to changing socio-economic scenario, the government needed to strengthen the national standards body. Thus came the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986. Then what is the vision of BIS? In order to attain this, the Bureau would strive to provide efficient, timely services and to satisfy the customers' needs for quality of goods and services, and to work and act in such a way that each task performed as individuals or as a corporate entity leads to excellence and enhances the credibility and image of the organization. Then what is the mission of BIS? Harmonious development of standardization, marking and quality certification, to provide new thrust to standardization and quality control, to evolve a national strategy and recognition to standards and integrating them with growth and development of production and exports. BIS is involved in various activities. For example, standards formulation, certification, product hallmarking and systems, registration scheme, international activities, ICARE activities for consumer industry, and training and information services, financial resources. For product certification, the BIS operates a product certification schemes by which it grants licenses to the manufacturers covering practically every industrial discipline from agriculture to the textiles to electronics. The product certification schemes of BIS aims at providing third party guarantee of quality, safety and reliability of products to the customer. Presence of ISI certification mark known as standard mark on a product is an assurance of conformity. The manufacturer is permitted to self certify the licensed products after ascertaining its conformity to the standard. The Government of India, on considerations of public health and safety, security, infrastructure requirements, and mass consumption, has enforced mandatory certification. Special certification schemes of sample inspection carried out by BIS inspecting officers. A majority of gas cylinders, regulators, and valves are certified through such schemes. Then product certification schemes are typically written to include both the performance test methods that the product must be tested to, as well as the criteria which the product must meet to become certified. Domestic manufacturers certification scheme is basically normal procedure and simplified procedures. And foreign manufacturer certification scheme, ECO mark scheme, Tatkal scheme. Then systems certification. BIS is committed to offer management system certification services to all organizations. The services are geared to all sectors of industry and the government to maintain and improve the quality of products and services, protect environment, occupational health and safety of employees, and ensure food safety. It is the responsibility of all those concerned in the operation of management systems certification services that each activity in the operation leads to excellence, thereby enhancing the credibility and image of BIS. BIS started the scheme with quality management system certification. Next topic is ISI, that is Indian Standards Institute. Then what is ISI mark? To maintain the service and quality of a product is the main job of BIS. BIS allowed the ISI mark to any product as third party guarantee after ensuring its quality, reliability and safety. What are the benefits of ISI? The quality and standards of the products with ISI mark are set up as this mark is issued after proper investigation. If you are not satisfied with the quality of product with ISI mark, then the company will give you new product in return to it, and action can be taken against the manufacturer of the product with ISI mark in case of its bad quality. How to distinguish between original and duplicate ISI mark? There are a lot of products in the market resembling with the ISI mark. Products with as per ISI mark standards conform to ISI standards as per the ISI specifications are duplicate. The logo on original ISI products is of rectangular shape. The ratio between the length and breadth is 4:3. Number IS is written upon with followed by a number IS is written on all the products, but the number varies. This number specifies the category of the product. CM/L along with the 7-digit license number is written below the logo. This number helps in identifying the unit where it was produced. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.